Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday, and what's really happening on the market? So we still see that dollar index still trying to recover, but when we check on our economic calendar, today we don't really have any economic news from the US. So what I see here is CPI from Canada around 2:30, and tomorrow CPI from GBP. Thursday we see employment change from Australia and interest rate from Europe, retail sales from the US around 2:30 on Thursday. So this is going to be actually something that we'll be trying to wait and see what's really happening. But without wasting any time, and for this week, guys, I think I will have some interruptions on the daily analysis as I'm still trying to sort some other things out. So we can easily see that on a dollar index, we see easily here that the market is actually getting out of that downtrend structure. So now we see that the market is trying to go higher. But we can see that the move there is not really as smooth. We have these reversals along the way that the market actually created. So you can see this type of reversals. So we will actually have to wait and see. But at the end of the day, this shows us that the dollar is now gaining some momentum. So we still have this structure where the market actually broke out before. Will the market maybe retest there and start to go lower, or maybe the market will get out of that? So the thing that we can do here is to wait for the market to reach this level where the market broke out, because it can still respect that and go lower, or maybe we can have a breakout. Or the best thing that can actually help us to understand what's really happening here, since we had the breakout, it means the market has to give us some proper uptrend structures. Then we can see that no, this is a continuation of the uptrend structure, so which means the market will be reversing here. I don't believe that this will actually reverse like crazy, because we still have other rate cuts coming, which is going to be next month, and I don't think that is going to be actually good for the dollar. So one way or another, we will see the market reversing. So we saw this type of push going higher, or dollar reversing, after we had a positive NFP, CPI. They were all positive, but maybe if other events start to go lower, we will start to see those reversals. I hope this makes sense. So let's push to the next one, which is GBPUSD. So on GBPUSD, we've been waiting around this level for quite some time now, and it shows us that we're gonna have, let's see, GBP. Well, we don't really have much on GBP on the economic news. I think on Friday we have retail sales, but for now you can see that we still have something here. So the market still respects this level, so we expect to see the market reversing. So I did have I actually sent a signal, I think a week ago, about this area. So we're expecting to see a very nice reversal, but the market actually took its time. So now it seems like the market is trying to go a little bit up. So I will send another one for people who actually did miss that. But the overall structure here, it is still that nice uptrend. You can see that the market is actually doing what? The market is actually continuing with that nice uptrend structure. So I'm actually bullish, so which means we'll have to get another buy pending order for my people who actually did not really take that swing. So I will also place maybe this notification so that I don't really miss this move. So yeah, I will send that after. So now we are on gold. What's really happening on gold? We are still on that nice uptrend structure. We can easily see that the market is still continuing going higher. You can see that we had some structures like this, like that, like this here. Even here we have something like that. So we expect the market to break this level with some serious impact. So I think around the level, let me remove that so that it doesn't really confuse you. So at the end of the day, we are still on that nice uptrend. We're coming from this aggressive bullish structure here. The market did give us a nice reversal, but we also see a nice push to the upside. So where we are now, we can't do much. We can see we have some structures, so many structures you can use. Some it might be a diagonal like that, but even if you use a horizontal structure, it still makes sense. So which means you can just choose the one that works for you. So I chose this horizontal structure. So you can see that the market is quite closer. Yes, the market can still continue going up, but the best thing is to wait for the market to reverse up to this point, or maybe the market to break so that it can move to the upside on a fresh structure. So let's push to the next one. I'm still bullish on gold. Let's push to the next one. So on the next one here, I think day before, I think it was Friday, we did have this signal on US30, which the market did not really move much that day. But yesterday, the market did what? The market did actually continue moving very nice, which means that was a very proper profit. So what we see here is we had a structure that we can call a resistant, and it seems like the market actually broke out of that. We had something like that. So obviously the market broke out here. Maybe we're going to have a retest before going higher, but what matters at the moment is the market did break out of the structure. Let me just use a shorter structure like that. So now this is what we have. We're just waiting for the market to reverse so that we can continue. Yes, there is a possibility for the market to still continue going higher. You can see this type of a reversal there, or that type of consolidation before the market goes up. So the market might also create a smaller consolidation structure before going up. This shows an aggressive bullish move. The reversal is not really that much, so that shows us that yes, the market can still continue going even higher. So that's why I'm still very bullish. As long as the market is still moving above my support area, yes, that actually gives me hope that I have to actually hold those nice buys. Now we are on Nasdaq. For those who wants to be part of the team, guys, you can still be part of the team. Just talk to me there. For those who wants to eat with us. So let's push to Nasdaq and see what's really happening. We can easily see that Nasdaq actually we also had a nice structure there, but it did not really move nicely like US30. Actually, we're supposed to get in around this level, but we were a little bit late. But yes, we did make something. So at the moment, if the market reverses, I think I'm actually expecting to see the market reaching this level before going higher again, because the market is now showing us that, you know what, we're pushing higher, we're pushing up. So the overall structure, it's actually a very nice bullish move, you can see. So there is a chance for the market to reverse, but I think the market might go a little bit higher, reach this level before going up again. But anything is possible. Anything is possible, especially when we are on this nice uptrend structure. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is US oil. I saw US oil going down early today. So yesterday we did have a quick buy here, and that did not really age very well. We can easily see that the market is now selling. Maybe there is something happening. And if whatever that is happening, it's actually good because it shows us that oil is actually going lower, which means the prices are going down. So that is actually good. But with the structure at the moment, we can say the market seems to be trying to go back on our previous trend. It was a downtrend. Once you see this cross, obviously the market means that it wants to continue. But we can't just say it will continue break this level. We still have some structures that we can use that the market might respect before going higher, or maybe the market might break. So the best thing that we can do here is to wait, because we don't really know which structure will the market actually respect. There is a possibility for the market to reverse. There is a possibility, as we already see, that the market is already taking that. Obviously, it's melting, so which means, yeah, there is a chance of that continuation. But should we jump on that? No, we don't really have to jump on that. We just need to wait and see. We can focus on other things before we get proper structures. So anyways, thank you very much, guys. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.